Security is a major concern for everyone online. In today's digital world, we rely on the internet for everything from shopping and banking to connecting with friends and family. With so much of our lives happening online, keeping our information safe has never been more important. Every time you use a website, especially one that deals with personal information, you want to know your data is safe. Whether you're logging in to check your bank balance, reading the news, or updating your profile, you trust that your details are protected from hackers and other threats. Companies like the Financial Times work hard to protect your account and privacy. They invest in advanced security systems and train their staff to spot potential risks. Sometimes this means adding extra steps to make sure it's really you using the service, not someone pretending to be you. These extra steps can feel surprising or even annoying, especially if you're in a hurry. But remember, they are there for your safety. One common safety check is the security verification message, which acts as a digital checkpoint to confirm your identity. You might see this when trying to log in or access certain pages. When you do, it's important not to worry or panic. These messages are a normal part of using secure online services, and they're designed to protect you from unauthorized access. This message is a routine part of keeping accounts secure. It is not a sign you have done something wrong or that your account is in danger. Instead, it's a sign that the system is actively working to keep your information safe. Instead, it means the system is working as it should. Knowing what to do next can make the process easier and less stressful. By following the instructions provided, you can quickly verify your identity and continue using the service without interruption. In this guide, you will learn why these messages appear and how to respond. The steps are simple, clear, and designed to get you help quickly. We'll walk you through each part so you know exactly what to expect and how to handle it. By following the right steps, you can solve the problem and get back to reading or managing your account. You'll feel more confident knowing you're taking the right actions to protect yourself online. Understanding security checks helps you feel more comfortable online. It shows you that the service cares about your safety, and with the right steps, you can resolve issues quickly. Remember, online security is a partnership between you and the services you use. Together, you can keep your information safe and enjoy a worry-free experience. The security verification message is a special alert from the Financial Times, often abbreviated as FT. This message is designed to protect your personal information and ensure that only authorized users can access sensitive content or account details. It appears when their system wants to make sure it is really you trying to access your account. This extra step helps prevent unauthorized access and keeps your data safe from potential threats. This type of message is common with many websites and online services, not just the Financial Times. You might see it after entering your password, logging in from a new device, or trying to use your account in a new way, such as updating your profile or making a purchase. The message is clear and direct. It usually tells you that you need to take an extra step before you can keep using the service. This could involve entering a code sent to your email or phone, or answering a security question. Sometimes it may ask for more details, such as confirming your identity with additional information, or suggest you get in touch with the support team if you're having trouble verifying your account. It is not a warning or a punishment. Instead, it is a checkpoint to keep your account safe and secure. These measures are in place to protect you and your information from fraud or misuse. You might see a message like, "Please complete security verification," or you could be asked to contact support for further help if the system cannot verify your identity automatically. The message will also include a link or step-by-step instructions for what to do next. This makes it easy for anyone, even if you're not tech-savvy, to know exactly how to proceed and regain access to your account. When you see this message, remember it is a standard part of using secure online services. There is no need to panic or worry. These checks are routine and meant for your protection. Just follow the instructions provided on the screen, and you will be guided through the process step by step. In most cases, you'll be back to using your account in just a few moments. There are several reasons you might see a security verification message pop up on your screen, and understanding them can help you feel more confident about your online safety. One of the most common reasons is when you try to log in from a new device, such as a phone, tablet, or computer you haven't used before to access your account. the system recognizes that this device is unfamiliar and wants to make sure it's really you trying to sign in. This is because the Financial Times system is designed to notice any changes in your login habits. It keeps track of the devices you usually use, and when something is different, it triggers a quick check to confirm your identity and keep your account secure. Another common reason is logging in from a new or unexpected location. For example, if you usually access your account from home but now try to log in from another city, a hotel, or even a different country, the system may see this as unusual activity and ask for extra verification. Big changes like these, whether it's a new device or a new place, can trigger a security check. This is done to protect your account from unauthorized access and to make sure only you can get in. Unusual patterns can also cause this message to appear. For instance, if there are several failed login attempts in a short period, or if you're trying to access sensitive areas of your account that you don't usually visit, the system might temporarily pause your access and ask for more information. These security measures are in place to help stop anyone else from trying to get into your account without your permission. They act as a digital lock, keeping your personal information safe from potential threats. These checks are automatic and happen to many users every day. They are not about blaming you or suggesting you did something wrong. Instead, they are a normal part of keeping accounts secure for everyone. In fact, these extra steps are there to help prevent fraud, protect your privacy, and keep your sensitive information safe from hackers or unauthorized users. So if you see a security verification message, remember, it just means the system is doing its job to protect you and your account. It's a sign that your security is being taken seriously. The main goal of the security verification message is your protection. By stopping and checking, the system makes sure that only you can use your account. This is very important for services that have your personal data, payment details, or reading history. When the system asks for more information, it is making it harder for hackers to break in. Even if someone has your password, they will not be able to get past the security check without your help. This adds another layer of safety for you. This message also helps the Financial Times spot unusual activity quickly. If someone is trying to access many accounts at once or using stolen information, the security system will notice and take action. This protects not just you but all users of the service. It is normal to feel a bit frustrated by these roadblocks, but remember, these steps are there to keep your data safe. The message is your friend, not your enemy. It is protecting what matters to you. Alright, so when you see the security verification message, the first thing you should do is, well, read it carefully. The message will tell you exactly what you need to do next. It might ask you to click a link, enter more information, or maybe even contact FT support. Always use the official links provided in the message. For FT, you'll often be directed to help.ft.com. This is the only safe place to get support for this issue. Do not search for other websites or use links from unknown emails. Sticking to the official support page, honestly, keeps you safe from scams. If you're unsure what to do not try to guess. Instead, take a screenshot of the message or write down the details. This will help you later on when you talk to the support team. Making a note of what the message says helps everyone understand the situation faster. Remember, these steps are designed to help you, not slow you down. By following the instructions exactly, you make sure your problem gets solved quickly and safely. Once you have read the message, visit the official FT support portal at help.ft.com. This website is the main place to get help for all FT account issues. When you arrive, you will see several options for getting support. Start by searching for security verification or similar terms in the search box. The support portal often has articles that explain common problems and easy fixes. You might find a step-by-step guide that solves your issue without needing extra help. If you do not find the answer, look for the contact options. There may be a form to fill out, an email address, or a live chat function. Choose the method that feels most comfortable for you. Live chat is often the fastest way to reach someone. Using the official portal ensures you are talking to real support staff. They are trained to solve your problem and will know exactly what to do next. When you contact FT support, sharing the right details is key. Start by telling them what message you saw and when it appeared. Include the exact words from the screen if possible. This helps the support team know which problem you are facing. Give them the title of the page or article, such as How to Get Fast Help from FT Support Step-by-Step Guide. If the message mentioned a reference number or had any special codes, include those in your message. All these details help the support team find your case faster. It is also helpful to say what you were trying to do when the message appeared. Were you logging in, changing your password, or reading an article? The more information you give, the easier it is for support to help you. Being clear and complete in your message means less back and forth and a quicker solution. The support team can start helping you right away if they have all the facts. When you write to support, keep your message simple and direct. Use short sentences. Start with, "I saw a security verification message," then explain what you were doing. Mention the time and date you saw the problem. Include any screenshots if you have them. Attach these to your support request. Pictures help the support staff see exactly what you see. If you are not sure how to take a screenshot, you can describe the message in your own words. Be polite and patient. The support team wants to help you. If you give all the details in your first message, you will likely get a faster reply. Avoid sending many messages about the same issue. Wait for their response before following up. Good communication makes the process smoother for everyone. It helps solve your problem quickly and keeps your account safe. It is normal to feel worried when you see a security message, but now you know what to do. These messages are there to protect you, not to punish you. By following the simple steps in this guide, you can get fast, safe help. Remember, always use the official support website. Give clear and complete information to the support team. Being calm and careful helps you solve the problem quickly. The FT support staff are there to guide you every step of the way. Security checks are a sign that the service cares about your safety. They help stop fraud and keep your account private. Instead of feeling frustrated, you can now feel confident in knowing how to handle the situation. Stay calm, follow the steps, and you'll be back to enjoying your FT account in no time. Your safety always comes first, and help is just a few steps away.